If you'd like to participate in the beta, there is no charge. Just go to Sceeto.com, go to support, and create a support request. In here, put in your email address and say, NinjaBots beta, and then give us your machine ID and your name. And what we'll do is we'll take that, we'll set you up with credentials, and then we'll shoot you an onboarding email. If you want to install NinjaBots for Sceeto, go to Sceeto.com. That's Sceeto. And if you don't know, a Sceeto is a self-contained electronic exchange trade orb. Go to Downloads, go to NinjaBots, and you'll see NinjaBots currently are at the beta 1.3. There's some directions here also. Click Download. That saves it to your local file or your Downloads directory. And what you'll want to do is go to NinjaTrader. If you have NinjaBots, a prior version on your machine, you're going to need to remove the assembly first. So go to Tools, remove NinjaScript assembly, click Sceeto, remove, acknowledge yes. Dunk. Click Close. If you don't have a prior version of NinjaBots on, you can simply go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript add-on. That'll be in your Downloads folder. Grab it, highlight it, click Open. It's going to come with a bunch of templates that I already have. You're going to either overwrite the templates or not use the templates, but there are strategy templates, stop strategy templates, ATM strategy, and chart templates in there to get you started. For a starter workspace, again at Sceeto.com, go to Downloads, choose NinjaBots, and you'll see NinjaBots Beta Starter Workspace. That's an XML file. Download it. Right click, Save As, Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Workspaces, Save. I've already got it on my machine, but you can replace it. After you install the workspace, in order for it to be seen in this list, you will need to restart NinjaTrader. Once you've downloaded and installed everything on your machine, you should be able to go to Workspaces, and I think it's called Start Here. And it may take a moment to load because it is an awful lot of data. If it doesn't, please bear with us. As you know, we are in beta. Go to Indicators, click OK. Go to Reload NinjaScript. This book pressure and sweep, they do a lot of data processing, so just give it a moment. If you need to, you may need to give it an elbow. Reload NinjaScript. This build has a bunch of audio alerts. We have two classes of audio alerts, generally the conclusionary order flow alerts, and what that means is we think, or the algos think, that possibly the order flow is concluded. There's going to be a new leg starting. I want to give you a heads up. In order to turn a strategy on, what you can do is right click on the chart, go to Strategies, add NinjaBots, and if you'd like, your templates should be in there. I'm going to load up. We're on the NQ 6-tick range bar, so we've got a preloaded template. NQ, load. You'll need to click Enable. Ta-da! And boom, your dashboard launches. This dashboard, if you'll notice, has 4 buttons here grouped together and 6 buttons grouped here together. You notice here it says Current Bar, and here it says One and Done. So the 6 bots here, the 6 Sceetos here, will only fire if you turn it on the current bar. If their rules are not met and they don't engage on the current bar, they will automatically turn themselves off on the close of that bar. So you don't have to worry about it. However, these 4 bots, if you click any or all or some of them, they will stay engaged until at least one of them fires. And then the rest will turn themselves off, so you don't have to worry about it. We've got some more educational videos coming up. If you need help, open up a help desk ticket at support@sceeto.com, and we appreciate you helping us out with this beta.